Okay, this SD card isn't full.
Some little cornbread.
You can't do it, can you? Even a little bit over there. Actually, hit me up with a slice in a second. No! I missed it. Hold on. Can you not bribe me with that? Oh. Remember that video where I said screwing around with everybody but Austin? Yeah. He disliked that video.
Really?
Austin did, yeah.
Oh, Austin did? Really?
Because he's Austin. He doesn't come to your house when it's too cold when we're inside the entire time.
No, he said he was debating earlier if he should come over. I guess he debated not to.
And we have cornbread.
Yeah. Text him right now and say we have cornbread. Come over.
I have over. We have cornbread. He's probably not going to come over.
Oh, Austin's typing.
My dad said no. Somehow I find that hard to believe. Not here, Daddy. Are you filming me filming you?
Yep. Like, just like poke it in there.
Sure. You know, the first time my...
Now it's wet. I'm just gonna fill up my cup with water and then I'm just gonna drop the GoPro.
No, put the GoPro in the bottom.
Oh, in the bottom?
And then fill up.
Oh, should I fill it up like pointing up? Alright. Bye, GoPro. Oh, it's like not even, it's like halfway down. Okay, cool, we're done with the water. Oh, there's hair on my water. Okay. That probably wasn't the best water. I probably swallowed like 20 pieces of hair. The guy that got a good clip, but we never put him in a video.
So right now I have like $48, and if I sell my 360, that'll sell for 60 plus any games that I want to sell for.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're getting motorcycle parts.
Yeah.
On eBay. I need $2 grand. Wait.
And we're watching PewDiePie.
Wix?
What?
What should we use? Wix? Squarespace?
I don't know which one.
GoDaddy? Wix? Wix? Wix.
Does your website need any of the following features?
Get subscribers.
Name, MBR merch.
Yeah.